In this part of the training, we will take a closer look on animating slides. Then we will also customize existing templates. An effect that is often used is a slide zoom effect on a background image that is repeated again and again. On this slide, for example. Here we open the layout via the metadata and look at the corresponding settings. We select the section at the very back for the media element and click on the animation button. There we can see that for the attention effects, pulsation is selected with a duration of 10 seconds and a delay of 0.6 seconds. The loop is also activated. This effect is particularly suitable for background images, for example on a start slide or end slide. In this way, a little movement is added even without a video. A small tip here is to place a second section above or below where videos can be inserted, whereby the section should not have this zoom effect. This is how you view animations of existing templates. Some of the existing templates that come with the software are animated with CSS and not with the settings just shown. We will come to animations with CSS later. Now we look at how we can use existing templates and adapt them for our purposes. First, we select the slide in the content structure that we like. So we choose one that we actually like, open it with double click. And now we can take a closer look at the animations here. To see which template is used here, we click on the metadata of the slide at the top right. In the metadata, you will find various information about the slide and, among other things, which templates are used. Here we can see the layout, the background, and the template set. If you click on the layout, you can open it. At the very top, you can see again which template set is used. We look for the template set in a new tab. So we filter for templates and look for the naturally set. Now we are looking for the template so that we can duplicate it into our own set in order to not change the original one. But first, we go back to the tab with the layout and see which backgrounds are linked. Because a slide can only be made if the layout and the background are in the same set. Therefore, we also have to duplicate the background. We open the layout and see on the right that the background, empty background, is linked. So we have to duplicate that first. Back in the template set, we click on the three-dot menu for the corresponding background and select Copy to another set. We select our own set and copy it. Next, we can copy the layout. First, we check the name again. So it's Content V3 Chapter Slide, and we will look for it in the set. There it is. We click on the three-dot menu again and select Copy to another template set. Now we are asked for the background in the targeted set. This is why we first duplicated the background and only then the layout. We now have to link a background with this duplicated layout so that a slide can be created from it later. Now we can switch to our own set. We go back to the content structure and select our own set. Here we now see both the background and the layout. We create a slide with our layout now so that we can see what we are setting later. To do this, we click on the three-dot menu and create a slide with the template. We insert an image in the background. And also add a little text in the text section so we are able to check the formatting later. If we click on Preview Now, we see there is no animation anymore. This is because the template sets made by presono were animated using CSS. We did not duplicate the CSS styles into our template set, and therefore the animations are no longer present. We save the slide and go back to our template set then. There are no custom styles in our template set yet. In presono, CSS styles can be written here in the styles and can then be applied in the template set template itself via the respective class name. There are now two possibilities for us. Either we get the styles into this set or we animate the slide ourselves, as was shown in the first part of this video. In this case, we copy the styles from the other set. We open the tab with the naturally set. At the top right, we find the custom styles for this set. Here, a CSS style was created where all animations and effects for this set have been defined. We click on the style, go to the section on the right. With Ctrl and A, we select everything, and with Ctrl C, we copy it. We switch to the tab with our set. Here, we have to create a new style. Add a new style, give it a name, and with Ctrl V, we insert everything from before and save. From now on, the animations from the naturally set will also work in ours. You can easily copy styles if you need them into another set. Only if you adjust the styles, you should adjust the class names, otherwise it can lead to problems if two classes with the same name have different definitions. So our animations are back again now. But from now on, you can adapt the layout template as you wish. Also the background template, of course. For example, you can adjust the background color of the text section, the text size, or you can add or remove any sections. This has nothing to do with the original template anymore. In the next part of the training, we will take a closer look at CSS and how we can create our own CSS styles.